Hey guys, Joe from Cold Springs RV, bringing you some new up-and-coming RVs coming on the market right now. ePro's been around a couple of years, done by Flagstaff. They offer a lot of cool options. Get some pass-through storage here. Full power awning. Rubber torsion suspension, which essentially gives you independent suspension. It's a fully walkable roof on this rig. Makes it a lot easier for cleaning. It already has a max air cover on it. A couple of really cool features on these ePros is they have a full solar panel and an inverter on board. So if you can do some dry camping or you want to camp a little off the grid, you can. Outside shower, regular power cord. You got a black tank flush as well. Clean out your black tank. Aluminum wheels. Everything's really in one spot on these guys. They do a nice job putting everything where it needs to be. Cable connections, satellite connections. There's the other side to your storage. It does come with a griddle. What I do like to show is all the aluminum framing underneath. Let's head inside. So if you notice as we walk in the door, we have the solid steps, two-step solid step. This is a gorgeous floor plan. These guys nailed it. This is 19 feet. Weighs about 3,400 pounds dry. Got an air conditioner as well. Queen bed. Freestanding table, so you can put that anywhere you want. Put it in front of the couch when you want to eat. Put it away behind the couch when you're done. Entertainment center here. Remember, all the ePro TVs are a DVD player as well. There's something called a Wi-Fi Ranger on here, which is really cool because most of your campgrounds are very hard to get a good Wi-Fi signal. What that does, it actually pulls the signal to you and then encrypts it. Get a full-blown oven in this unit. Nice and deep. Lots of drawers, and they're very deep and they're full extensions. This is your Go Power solar panel. Right now I have a battery box hooked up to it. And here's your bathroom. Porcelain toilet. Even got a spot for your toothbrushes, cups, skylight, and fan. If you want to see more like this, I'm going to try to do a video series on all these. Kind of get everybody to see what they look like. But if you have any questions, go to our website, www.coldspringsrv.com, or you can give us a call at 603-529-5222. Thank you.